Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Ayush and I'm a trader. In this video, we'll analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week and we'll also look at the key levels. So now for the key levels, we'll go to the screen recording and analyze them. Hi guys, welcome to the screen recording. So as you can see, we'll start with Nifty. And in the last video also, I was very clear that Nifty has given an all-time high breakout. So whenever generally there is all-time high breakout, the market shows strength and it will be trading in uncharted territory, which means that anybody who would have bought Nifty or Nifty futures, Nifty call would be in profit because the market is trading at all-time high. So literally nobody can be in loss. So generally in those cases, the market is very strong and simply shorting it because the market is at all-time high or it has trended so much can be one of the foolish reasons, because it's like simply standing against a train which is coming at 250 speed. And coming back to the Nifty chart, until and unless 22,050 or 22,000 is broken on the downside, the market is not going to show weakness. And you can see one more thing, that the market gave all-time high breakout, 3 days nothing happened, and then we saw a candle of 0.5%. So that shows that that was a retest done of this previously 22,200 or 22,300, and the market is heading higher. So there is a quite big possibility that in the times to come we can trend, because generally whenever there is a 1 month or 2 months consolidation period, where we have also seen that bears have tried with big red candles, but generally there was no follow through. So after a consolidation, whenever the market breaks out on the upside or downside, then the market trends. And we should not be cautioning the rally, rather we should be finding opportunities to take participation into that. And one thing which is very clear is, if you are not able to ride it, you can simply like look for areas where previously it has given a breakout or retest areas, and whenever market comes there, you can go for high risk reward trade with buy on dips. But the thing is, in such cases also, you should not be simply doing buy on dips. The reason being that someday the market direction will change. So that particular day should not be that you end up losing 5-6%. So for every trade, as a trader, we are not here to bet on accuracy. Rather, we are here to use our analysis and try to figure out good risk to reward trades. So ultimately, as George Soros used to say, that I am not worried about how many times I am right or how many times I'm wrong. The thing I am more concerned about is how much money I make when I'm right against how much money I lose when I'm wrong. So it is all about risk to reward. You can be wrong in 5 trades and you can be right in 5 trades, but if you are making like 1:3, 1:4, then you are going to stick in the game. So ultimately, first is consistency and second is risk to reward. There is no picture of having a accuracy thing, or in Hindi which we say maine bola tha type of things. So that doesn't work. And anybody who is like bragging or like patting himself for something, let's say that I said the market will go up and it went, that is not a concern, because a famous trader, Nicholas Nassim Taleb, used to say that traders should be validated by their PNL, not by their peers. So that thing helps, and you should stick to your PNL more rather than simply getting happy with that you assumed that the market will go up and it went up. So coming back to Bank Nifty, in the previous video, I have been telling that Bank Nifty was relatively weak, but last particular week, it has been the different case. Bank Nifty has shown an immensely strong strength compared to Nifty. Nifty has also gone up with all-time high breakout, but the strength here in terms of the magnitude is good, because you see that particular day we saw 2.5%, and that when we shot that video, I told that until and unless this candle flow is broken, we should not have a stance for bearish, because the reason being that this big red candles which are there, they generally should have had a follow through down move, but that follow through didn't come. And the structure within the range, like more than the breakout, the journey towards the breakout, which is like how the market is going and breaking out. For example, if you see when it came down, secondly it came down, but the high was higher than the previous low. So for example, this low made and then the next low made was higher, then the next low made was higher. So you could have a just that within the range only the market wants to go up. And when the breakout came, we saw that next 3-4 days market actually did a strong up move. And currently also within this range, like for example, which is like previous all-time high of 48,500, if I have to mark it, 48,500 on the upside, and this particular candle's low, which is also like 47,200 or 47,150. So there might be a possibility that for some day or for a week, the market may take a pause with a bullish direction here and then give a breakout, because particularly private banks have underperformed for a long period, especially HDFC Kotak. If you see, if we have to talk about the bull market which have started from March 2023, it was always the initially small cap and mid cap which started the bull market and which have been some sort of participants from the bull market rally. But we have not seen any participation from banks like HDFC and Kotak Mahindra Bank. If you see last 1 year's return, they are trading from the left side of the chart to the right side of the chart, which is like a bearish trend. And as per as long-term valuations or long-term thing is concerned, if the price comes to let's say 1270 levels or 1300 levels, so you are getting a price of 2019 in 2024 where the profits have doubled. So something like this can be a very good demand zone. And once HDFC, which is like 20-25% composure of Bank Nifty, starts moving up, then we will see Bank Nifty going up very nicely. Same thing with Kotak also. Kotak Mahindra Bank has also not given any returns, because if you particularly see from like the point of 2019, it has been trading at the same price. So from last 5 years, the price has not gone anywhere, whereas the profits have doubled and the sales have also grown. So the market has always something to offer, but in this case, the private bank, particularly to me, looks undervalued because of the reason that firstly their profits have gone up, and in the previous bull market they have not participated. So let's say things turn the other way and we see a fall or we see a correction in small cap and mid cap. The safe havens would be large caps. For example, in large cap also, which is good, having good valuation and attractive. So then comes private banks, and especially if you see the likes of like PPFS or who are into value investing, they that mutual funds are investing into private banks heavily. If you see any value investing fund, they are having exposure till 15-16% of their funds in private bank. So that is a different story. That is simply a view of mine, which has nothing to do with whether they will do well or not. But especially talking about Bank Nifty, if Bank Nifty HDFC does well, then Bank Nifty has to go up and it can even see a bigger rally than what we saw till now. So that was our analysis for coming week. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.